Have you ever felt challenging to visualize main concepts for your students? Hi educators, my name is Chang. I'm a draw coach. In this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to help you to visualize main concept using draw. And at the end of this video, I would love to appreciate you like, comment, and share this video so that more educators can benefit. So the very first thing that we'd like to show you how it is easy to draw. The first thing I'd like you to show you is to draw a light bulb. Then the second thing I'd like to show you is to draw the arrow direction sign. The third thing is our eyes. And the fourth thing is what we are doing now, zoom. Okay. Drawing is easy when we visualize them into shapes. So when we visualize things in shapes, objects in shapes, people, animals in shapes, we realize that it's very simple to come up with concepts and teach your students. So then, I'm Chang. I draw to connect. Till I see you in my next video again. See you then. Bye.
Hi, Sunshine Seniors. My name is Chang, the drawer. Have you wondered why there are many people out there who just enjoy the process of drawing? Yes, I've been drawing for 40 years, and the joy of drawing that brought me like happiness, fun, communicating with my inner self is really priceless. For too long, we've been told that we cannot draw. And research has told us that, in fact, when we were a young boy or girl, everyone can draw. So join me in the next session as we discover drawing again, drawing our story out and sharing with others our inner self. That can bring a lot of joy and happiness around us. Join me as we see you in the next coming session. My name is Chang, the drawer, and I'll see you then. Bye.